said if you come to London, I don't go to London. You haven't been to London. It's London Eye behind us. What's good, guys? It's me, Tony. I'm back with another video. As you already know, I'm currently in the UK. Everyone has been messaging me like, Tony, you left us in Nigeria. You didn't tell me you're going, blah, blah, blah. But yeah, time for the review. I'm coming back. I only moved here for a couple months. Shout out to everyone that actually showed me love. I didn't even know, like, it was crazy, man. People actually messaging me, wishing me good luck on my future endeavors. Yeah, people actually wishing me, so it was actually crazy. Thank you all for that. The main reason why I came to the UK was because of my brother's graduation. He graduated from Coventry University some weeks back, and then we went for the graduation. It was a wonderful time. Everyone was happy. So since then, I've been to different cities, but for today, I just wanted to share with you guys my experience on London Eye. As you already know from the title, I visited London Eye. I wanted to share with you guys the experience. So in case you want to visit, you know what to expect.
London City.
Speak loud, I can hear you. This guy is my tour guide. Tour guide. So now tell them where we are.
I think we're in London. We're currently in London.
Where in London?
I don't know.
You don't know? Yeah, we're in London.
London Eye. That's the big bed beside us.
Yeah.
And we're heading to the Buckingham Palace next.
Okay. Buckingham Palace. Yeah, I like to see that place. Yeah. Yeah. Just finished taking pictures. Then let's go and look for what next to do. We're probably going to, I don't know, but let's walk around, show you guys more of how this place looks like, you know? Yeah.
No, let's go shop. We're going shopping, man.
Yeah,
Let's go buy some London.
I hope we have money. I hope we have money. Definitely. Sugar cute.
This one is nice.
The London Eye is a very popular place in London, if not the most popular place actually, to be honest. It gives you a whole view of London, whereas the name London Eye, exactly, so what it did. Most people might actually see it as a roller coaster. I mean, for a second I actually thought it was, but then no, it's not. It was developed as far back as 2000. It has served as a means of generating income to the UK as it is a tourist place. The ride is about 443 feet. That's how big it is. The ride basically takes about 30 minutes. So you get to see the amazing places of London, such as Big Ben, Tower Bridge, Buckingham Palace, the Houses of Parliament, and several other places. The ride basically costs about £30. That's big money. As a Nigerian, I have to be converting pounds to naira in black market rates, which is about 900 and something. That's around 25,000 naira, which is really a crazy amount of money, to be honest. That couldn't stop the fun. This is London Eye behind us. Yeah, are you going on it?
Yeah, I'm scared of heights. So.
This guy, you're scared of heights?
Yeah.
As Thomas, yeah.
Going on it, man. Going. Scared of falling.
We paid for the tickets. Our tickets were printed out, and then we just took our tickets to the London Eye Center. So basically, all you just have to do is scan in your tickets on the scanning machine, and then the door opens for you. There will be workers there to direct you on the available pod for you to enter. We got into the ride. It was actually very amazing. Yeah. What's that movie? going to see the whole of London. We're going to see everywhere.
Hello and welcome to the last minute.
I'm free. So enjoy.
She really tried this if you get to London.
Yeah, so you guys heading. It lasted for about 30 minutes, like I said. But then, to be honest, it's a one-time thing. It's not something you might actually want to do over and over again. But maybe that's just me. But for your first time, it's going to be actually very, very amazing. After the ride, they make pictures available, so you can actually pay to get pictures of you in the ride. I was actually down to get my pictures, but then when I heard the price, I ran. That was just because I already took pictures on my phone. So there was actually no need of me paying that excess amount of money to get extra pictures. It didn't make any sense to me. There are actually different packages. Some, they send them to your phone. Some, they print it out. So it just depends on the one you actually want to go for. After the ride, we were very hungry. It was already evening, so we just chose this particular restaurant. We went there. I ordered burger and chips and ate. It was amazing too. London Eye also looks very much amazing at night. If you are too busy during the day, you can go there at night. If you're a kind of person that likes to see night view, that likes to see lights, you can actually go there at night. But then me, I recommend you going during the day so you get to see the whole view clearly. Yeah, also pro tip, if you get to visit the London Eye, you should check out the Big Ben. Is actually just across the road. It's always very crowded, so when you get there, don't be surprised. Even during the winter, I was surprised to see so many people there. But then it's actually a very good place to take pictures. Yeah, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and see you on the next one. Peace. So we're done with the ride. My tour guide. Yeah, you guys shoot. How was the ride?
Yeah, it was excellent. London skyline is
Beautiful, man. You guys should try it. Like,
very
if you
nice
actually,
architecture.
yeah, if you actually come to London, tell them if they actually come to London, one of the stuff you're meant to do, man, you should what?
Yeah, you should come to the skyline.
Yeah, come to London Eye. It's beautiful. Peace.